This is the oil I use mostly for my laundry bar soap. This is not tallow oil. This is not palm kernel oil. I make this oil myself at home. So in one of my videos, when I mentioned it at the comment section, someone said I should stop deceiving people and I should tell people the kind of oil I use. I should stop saying I made it myself. So right in this video, I want to stop deceiving you guys. I want to tell you the oil I use and how I came about the oil. So I'm using transparent bowl for you to be able to clearly see what is happening in this video. Then you are going to need a measuring cup. So they come in different calibrated in different ml. Then if you don't have this, you can use syringe. You can buy syringe. So this is the oil we are going to use. This is our normal cooking oil in the kitchen, palm oil, red oil. So I am going to be using 1500 ml. That's that bottle in 2 places. So go ahead and turn your oil into your container just like you see me do in this video. Please note the kind of oil you use determine what you get. So it's better you use good oil and not allow your oil to be congealed before you make this. So the next thing I am going to take now is my sulfonic acid. Sulfonic and not sulfuric. So I am going to be measuring 15 ml of sulfonic. I'm just showing you the different calibrations on this cup. So anyone you need, you get. And if you want something higher than what is there, you just measure twice. So I am going for 15 ml because I want to work on 1500 ml of oil. I don't know if you get it, 1.5 liters. So if you want to work on your oil, the quantity of sulfonic acid you are going to use is just going to be 1% of the total quantity of the oil you are working with. 1% of 1500 ml is 15 ml if you divide it mathematically. So after measuring, you add your sulfonic acid into your oil and start stirring like you see me do. Now if your oil is very thick, very congealed, you will not be able to do what I'm doing right here. So if your oil is thick, congealed in nature, you can just put it outside and let everything liquefy before you start this process. So you mix very well before we go to the next step. So you mix for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the quality of your oil. So you will see that the color is changing into something dark, right? Then we'll go for the next chemical to add, that is hydrogen peroxide. Please, if you want to get your hydrogen peroxide, make sure you get the industrial grade and not the pharmaceutical grade. Do not buy from the pharmacy. Go to people that are selling liquid soap chemicals. They sell this. So you get this and also measure the same quantity of sulfonic acid, that is 15 ml. Then you add to your oil. I want to wear my glove to carry this because it must not touch your hand. It will chop off your nail if you are not careful. So please put safety first. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are mostly welcome. So you can see that the color of the oil has changed to like dirty oil coming out from a car, right? So I added this sulfonic acid and I keep stirring. So you stir very well. Can you see the color is changing? You can see it is so clear. To all my returning subscribers, I sincerely appreciate you for always coming back to watch and like my video. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. And to the first timers, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So can you see it? I dropped this on a clean surface for you to see the effect taking place already. So after that, I went ahead to cover it and keep it. And during the process of keeping it, you notice the reaction will start. Can you see what we have? Can you see that the color has totally changed? But it is not ready. This is just less than 6 hours after adding those chemicals. You keep for at least 24 hours for the process to complete. So after 24 hours, this is what we have. Now I will explain to you how to do a paper test for you to know that your oil has totally bleached. Now I want to get a paper. You need a white clean paper. So I'll dip it into this oil just like you see me do. Dip it down so that it will not be as if it's only the surface level I'm testing. So can you notice any oil stain? No. If you didn't watch this video from the beginning and they tell you this is palm oil, Will you believe it? No. So with this formulation, you can prepare your own oil at home for your laundry bar soap and make enough gain. So can you see it, guys? If today is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So can you see? I'm just trying to turn it into another container for you to see the actual color of what we have. Can you see it, guys? And if you have not liked this video, please give it a like. See you in my next video. Bye.